Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ravindra Srinath Chauhan. I am pursuing my MBA from SAS Institute of Management Studies. Today we are here to discuss on topic VUCA analysis and VRIO analysis. So let's begin with VUCA analysis. Introduction. VUCA is an acronym that stands for volatility, uncertainty, complexity and ambiguity, a combination of qualities that taken together characterize the nature of some difficult conditions and situations. The term is also sometimes said to stand for the adjectives volatile, uncertain, complex and ambiguous. Here is the brief description of all four VUCA components. Volatility. It is a measure of dispersion. Therefore, any changes in the volatility of the project can become a risk factor. Uncertainty. The unpredictable event and situations where the same intricately complex issues and events. Ambiguity, a potential threat due to misinformation or miscommunication, that is cause and effect confusions. Here is my conclusion. If me as a manager, I am responsible for the lion's share of the decision about the parameter that define how my organization can operate. The increase in volatility, uncertainty and complexity and ambiguity means that me and my business must seek new orientation and take a fresh approach to management. Only then can I guarantee positive results in changed circumstances. The VUCA world challenged me to find my own way. I will need to understand the psychology and develop empathic behavior. In short, to be more concerned with the human and their need, meaning and purpose take a central role in business activities. So, let's begin with VRIO analysis. Introduction. VRIO analysis can be defined as an inception of 4-question framework that focus on the resources and the capabilities of organization to determine its competitive and potential advantages. Here is the brief description of all 4 VRIO components. VRIO stand for value, rarity, immutability and organizations. So, first, value. Does this resource or capability enable the organizations to strength of the organization? The VRIO value analysis generally start with the review of the value chain of the organizations, looking for assets that have optimized certain pieces of the chain. In most of the cases, these assets can be considered inside the value concept of VRIO. Another interpretations of value concepts is for those resources capabilities that increases the perceived value of the customers. Now, rarity. Does control of these resources or capability in hand of few in the market? The rarity concept of the VRIO framework require that the resources or capabilities labeled meet the short supply and persistence over time conditions. If these are not met, the resources or capabilities cannot generate a sustainable competitive advantages. Immutability. Is the resources or capabilities difficult to imitate, or does these resources or capabilities generate a cost disadvantage to the competing organizations trying to obtain, develop or duplicate it? Imitations can occur in two ways: by directly imitating the resources or capability, or by providing substituting with comparable resources or capabilities. Fourth one, organizations. Is the organization structure built and able to exploit the resources or capability? The resources or capabilities do not guarantee any competitive advantage for organizations by itself. The firm needs to be policy structure and culture. Here final words on VRIO analysis. The VRIO framework complements other strategic analysis methods such as a SWOT analysis. To provide your organization with a clear-cut competitive advantage, a VRIO analysis can be applied company-wide or to individual department for well-rounded view of how each aspect of your business should position itself in the marketplace. It's important to continually review your framework capabilities changes over time and competitors adapt. As we stated in the beginning of the article, the best time to review your VRIO is the onset of your strategic planning process. Committing to the VRIO process and evolving your analysis over time will protect your sustained competitive advantage. So here we are ending with our session or topic. Thank you.